Hi everyone, Shab here and welcome back to a PC build video. So actually today I'm building a computer for a friend of mine. He actually does not really play video games, but it is definitely a powerful machine for that anyways. Right, this complete setup including the monitor, keyboard, mouse and of course the PC costs around 1400 USD. But do note I am located in Hong Kong, so these prices will most likely differ for you. But anyways, let's go on with the PC build specs. Alrighty. So for the processor, I went for the Intel Core i5-13500. This is a great CPU for the price, especially considering it has 14 cores. The processor was paired with the Gigabyte B760i RS Pro, a great looking motherboard from Gigabyte with a little bit of RGB, and two M.2 slots for SSDs. Talking about SSDs, I went for a 1TB Acer GM7 NVMe M.2 SSD. For the price, this was a great SSD with the read speed of 7200. Now the RAM, we went for 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro with speeds of 3600 MHz, and we went for an air-cooled solution for the device, specifically the Hyper 212 Black Edition by Cooler Master. Unfortunately, the RGB edition was out of stock in every store I went to, but this is a great and surprisingly quiet fan. For the additional fans, we went for semi-passive 120mm fans by RTX. They're also quite silent and have RGB. Now, the star of the show, the GPU. Well, I went for a 4060, specifically the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ventus 8GB overclocked edition. It has a great looking GPU and is very compact as well. It is great for this build, and everything you see will be fitted into a Cooler Master Masterbox NR200P, a very compact and sleek looking case. I really like the colors and design. And for the peripherals, we went for a Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless and a Razer Death Adder version 2 Hyperspeed, a great keyboard and mouse combo. And lastly, for the monitor, we went for a 4K 28-inch Samsung monitor. Unfortunately, it is 60Hz, but for the price, it is a steal. Now, time for a build montage, and then I can hit you with the benchmarks of this computer. Let's go.